Hey everyone, I'm Julie Schiffman, and as you know already, the news is rampant around the coronavirus. These days, you really can't go anywhere without seeing or hearing about it. It's in the news, it's all over the internet, social media, it's probably in your emails. Your job or the schools around you might be making or taking precautions. And of course, there are ongoing conversations and nonstop questions around what's happening and what's going to happen, and it just keeps going and going. I'm not here to give you any information about it. You already know how important it is to take precautions that are necessary given your particular situation. However, I am here to help you to manage any anxiety or angst that you might have about it. What I know to be true is that it can be very easy to feel scared and anxious and even panicked at times like this. But I also know that fear, anxiety, and panic will not help to make the situation any better, and it certainly won't help you to feel any better. In some ways, the fear is almost worse than the virus itself, as I'm sure that you have seen or maybe even felt. There are many things that we can control in our life, but there are also some things that are way beyond our control. You can choose your own thoughts, your actions, your decisions, even your choices, and believe it or not, you can actually even control the way you feel. If only we could just snap our fingers and make all the seemingly bad things go away, it would be amazing, right? But of course we can't. So let's do what we can to help ourselves to feel better about a situation that we can't control as of now. Remember, as always, to please take responsibility for your own emotional and physical well-being, and be sure to reach out to a practitioner or even a doctor if you're concerned about any symptoms that you might be having. So we're going to go ahead and start tapping here. So I'm going to have you just repeat after me, tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I have all this fear around the virus, I'm bombarded with information. I'm overwhelmed. I accept myself, and I'm open to feeling better about this now. Even though I might be feeling scared or panicked about getting this virus, the news is unsettling, and I'm afraid I can get it at any time. I'm open to relaxing about this and feeling better now. Even though I don't know how to protect myself or my family. I'm getting different news from different resources, and people are saying different things. It scares me. And it feels like something is looming over me that I can't control. I accept myself anyway, and I'm ready to take my power back. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap through the points. So when you're ready, you're going to tap on the very top of your head. All this fear. All the fear around this virus. I don't know what to do. There's so much information out there. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I can't help but feel panicked. There's some scary news out there. And everyone is talking about it. I see information about it everywhere. Some say not to panic, but others make me feel like I need to. This anxiety or panic might feel necessary for me. Makes me feel like I'm doing something about it. If I worry, it keeps me on my toes. Keeps me on alert. So I can remember all the things I need to do. To take precautions. To keep myself and my family safe. All the what ifs swirling through my mind. What if it gets worse? What if I get sick? What if I don't have what I need? What if a family member gets sick? What if I can't control what other people are doing around me? I need to be prepared. All this fear. I need to worry. Doesn't make sense not to worry. There is so much uncertainty. And everyone around me is scared. Scary news. Panic. I'm feeling stressed out. I'm stressed in my mind. And I'm stressed in my body. If I'm not panicked, I might be too relaxed. I already get scared about getting sick in flu season. And now this feels worse to me. Feeling out of control. But I'm ready to take my power back now. What if I can remember that I am safe? I'm taking precautions and doing my best. I'm focusing on what I can control. Maybe I can be safe to relax right now. Because right now all is well. I'm open to letting go of the hype. I'm doing my best to make good decisions for me and my family. I do know how to make good decisions. I'm strengthening my immune system right now. I'm taking care of my body. I'm releasing stress in my body right now. I'm releasing stress in my mind right now. I'm open to feeling safe. I have control over how I feel. What if I don't have to buy into all the hype? Does that mean I'm in denial? Maybe it just means that I'm creating some boundaries around what others expect me to feel, apart from how I choose to feel. What do I choose? I probably wouldn't choose to live in fear. So what do I choose? I'm choosing differently. I'm choosing to be smart. I'm choosing to trust my intuition. I'm choosing to create boundaries. I'm choosing to feel safe. I'm taking my power back. I'm choosing good health. I'm choosing protection. I'm relaxing my body and my mind right now. All is well. Peace. Just take a big deep breath in here and out. And if you're still feeling unsettled or anxious, feel free to go through the tapping round again. And be sure to change the words to meet your needs. That's what's most important here. It's how you feel. It's not how I'm telling you to feel. So be sure to go through and do that on your own. I am wishing you peace and good health always. Keep tapping.